stabilization processes.
The asphalt came from the beginning of the industry. So where did it terminate in this environment? Is it down? Did it get down to?
You can see the map.
No, take us now. We can move. We can make movements and all of that.
So it actually terminates at. It's supposed to terminate at BIE junction.
Long shot of stretch of
portions around it. You cannot stop here per se and pay a blind eye to other places. We had to capture everything at least to make sure that.
So like that very point now,
yeah,
we stop at that place, then this bump here for Was it part of the scope of the work?
Yes.
Gutter, yes.
So they are going back.
So the sitting is part of the job, yes, which is still
ongoing. Yes. They just started. This is one of the roads out of 8 roads.
How do you say this project is ongoing?
This is just one project of 8.
But in this particular one, the asphalt is done, but the sitting is still
spent. They are coming back here.
Flowing here, you know why? Because this road gradient is to this side. They all terminate at Akigo. You want normal Texaco because Akigo has that. So this road, you look at it, is sloping from there to that point. So the only way you can say you're going to slope, not just the gutter. Even if you take the gutter sloping here. I'm saying it because I grew up practically here. Since 84, I lived here. So I left. So it's like here, I here, so when the organization came and dropped the pump, it couldn't work. You understand? It didn't work. Even the Akigo, they dropped the pump. The channel you are leading to is that of people. The carriage is not like that water storm. Yes. Go that way. I know taking now, go take to
Later, they now increase it to 8 meters. Currently 8 meters. So it's not going to affect the property.
What was the width of the road current?
7 meters.
Are you increasing that?
We are increasing. When the governor came, he said we should increase the width of the 8 meters.
After you have started?
Yes.
That's they are suffering here.
No, we've not started the other train now.
Okay, not started.
Yes, it's only one side.
My question is that this thing is faster. Are you guys sure that you can finish the job? But the question like is just that them should take the water back to where it's naturally to go.
That's the design.
You see, initially, initially there was a retention pond there. Now the water was taken from this end, and from the other end, then we now have a low point there. The water now drained to the retention point on both sides. Then what we now did is to carry the water from here now to the other, to the Otete end, through Otete to that water storm project.
Is water storm on the people of
To the final page.
Yes.
The water beside this
It's not too far, you can just walk, take a walk.
My short.
There's no problem. As soon as possible.
Now, when is it expected?
If all things be equal. If all things be
Before we
equal.
go there, I want to see that Agibo. That Agibo is very important. It was than here.
But if all things be equal.
For that
if they are stretchable,
That Agibo is most important. That Agibo.
Are you having any constraint that may delay the achievement of this job within the specific time that you are looking on to? What are the likely constraints that may make this work to be completed within that period?
Then Uwelo again come down. So this road settled there like this. They gather there. They gather here and there.
Construction body is always financial constraint.
so that's not
Conscious constraint is not our own.
But for every other issue,
what you are saying, as long as
yeah, if all things are equal, I think he can follow you. Let me continue.
It's about the water hold us. The water here.
Yes.
The water here.
Yes.
You know, this road have historical evidence that things involve water here. From that drainage that I'm seeing, because we drove to the other end to this side.
Yes.
I don't see any design.
Okay, when you do it.
Yeah, from that end to
When you
this
say design,
the drainage is shallow from that other end.
which other end, sir?
From that other side.
Texaco.
From Texaco.
If you are going
from
close, even close to that,
Because what you actually,
the way you design, the way see, you cannot tell me an area that is so massively flooded like this that you are talking about maybe 3.5 inches drainage.
it's 3 feet.
3 feet on this kind of road. God Almighty. But you know it's going to be.
See, sorry, bros.
It's not about civil engineer.
You should let us talk now. The water is not going to be staying on the drain. We have a slope. When the water is coming, it's going. It's not sitting on the. When you come after we finish this, you will not see what you are saying. Maybe when we see again, you will not say, okay, you will give us handshake that you said this time is working. Do you know teacher's house?
Yes.
Do you know the road? You don't know teacher's house how it is? It is not deep. It is just maybe 1 meter.
Teacher's house.
Yes,
Teacher's
yes. It is
No.
That's
I tell you, it was 6 feet. 6 feet.
So listen to me, please. It is going to an underground. If we do underground there, and underground is here. The flow will go to.
You cannot look at it.
It has to. It's
For
going
a
like this.
drain, it's like if you understand what it's saying. For you to empty this water on this one has to be lower than this one, so that this water will be able to enter.
The essence of all this is to ensure that this road did not fail. Because the pressure of the flood is much. That's our concern.
Let's go.
It was about 2020 that they came in to say they want to construct put a drainage in this street.
And so we're all happy. They even came and said everybody should remove their gate and places, which we did. So all of a sudden they stopped the whole job for more than 2.5 years now. Look at my house, now. They told me my distance because the fence has been removed. Well, look at the gate there, by the side of the house here now. Look at people who are coming here, entering into the backyard. I have to come and do some makeshift security here. So we are appealing now that they should come and look at my car. It's like now, you can't live here. And to come here now is to come into my house is a problem. If I knock that my distance now, it has been wrecked. So I don't know why 2.5 years they have not come and say this is what they want to do and this is what they want to do. It's just we are abandoned that we are abandoned. My priest let them give me the go ahead so that I can reface my house and get some little security.
Why convert the time?
There are 2 projects. One is plot 8. The other one is plot 2. This pole road, the one we are doing from where? Overroad. Yes. That's 2 side drain. To be finished with asphalt pavement. This other one from Siloko Road up to Omo village. It's another project which is look this side. From 00 to this 450, this junction is one-sided drain.
We are working according to design.
Or is he on site? Are we allowed to document?
The documents is in the office. So, one by side office. Okay, go ahead. One by side office. You don't have to carry the gun on the phone back. One is about 5 kilometers, and you have a
One carriage is from where to where?
And hence somewhere here. So we have about 1 kilometer. We have a section of team working on the networks. You can see we have
stone base, and any moment from now, from our plant to track section has earthworks, it has surveys and a discourse.
Why is the other side single carriageway?
That is what was given to us.
Why? But why is it? At least you should know as the contractor.
Yeah, that's what I said. No, it's not my design. No, it's not my design. It's not my design. No, I'm not the designer. We are contractors. I just answered you and said that is what I was given to do.
There's go slow here. This is a quick access road to Lucky Way that can help this road. But Nagbari is very far from after out there.
No, why I'm mentioning this road is this. Because these roads that I mentioned, the St. Jude control center all the way from NC demonstration and you see there's already a very big gully.
Yes.
So whatever you are going to do on this road, if the erosion there is not controlled, this road will be destroyed. It will still be cut into two like this one was doing.
It will not cut because we have a drain that is going to control the whole water.
How many of these drains?
Yes.
How many are on this stretch?
We do many bus coverage along the road now.
Okay.
They are collecting the water.
Okay, it's not only this one.
No.
Like how many do you have within you get?
Bus coverage 1, 2, 3, 4. Some bus coverage and then 5.
Okay. Yeah, before the junction.
How far have you gone so close to all the upper?
Yeah, we don't even, the old train have everything into the zero.
Have you started that part?
Yeah, you can drive to Tufagara Street.
Okay, from this place
yes,
now.
Not even the old hold up, the old motor is passing here. Yeah, you can go through.
No, put street light.
Are you having the
we have street light now.
It's part of the work. It's part of the scope of it.
Yeah.
drainage on the both sides.
But there is area, there is area we have to go.
My leader mandated me to lead this delegation today. We don't walk around different places. For instance, we don't go Road. We stop over at Forestry Road. We saw Second Road. We went to Upper Ekenwa Road, and now we are at Temboga Road. We also went to Mechanic Road at Upper Siloko Road. So far so good. We don't see and say true projects they go on for the state. But the truth of the matter is that we want to see society don't go around for the various projects when they ongoing. We go sit down, we go harness all our observations, then we come up with our report for government. The area some we know say they need to improve, we go tell them. So far so good. You see when we reach Welu Road, we see as a place they will be say for many years water they gather there. We see as a government they make effort to remove the water for them, but the effort we expect that it should be good enough. Now effort to be say true if the water come again, not go fit gather for them. We think say the gutter when they there too they shallow. You not go fit take the volume of water when go carry the water when go the stormwater project when they actually they have good intentions. We are saying that they should actually work on these drainages so that it go dig deeper. Go fit carry the water. It's not good say you don't build roads, spend billions of naira to build roads. Within a few months, water go still come to place. That's why I say this is their good intention. Make them see here our own opinion to say your intention is very good. You dey carry this water come up for where it used to go. But how you want to carry it? If you not carry it well, the water go still dey there. You go say and say now the road where you don't spend billions of naira take it go come spoil again. Now we dey for Temboga Road. We don't also see and say that they make effort to link the Upper Mission Extension to Obaslope through to Arantipa Garage. We stop over, we just enter now, we stop over. We have seen the convent, their beauty on this place. This particular place where we did before, if we don't cut finish, we say they don't fill up. But we they try to let them know, say, these roads, when come out through Lucky Way, can't join this Tembuga road. They need to control the erosion when we say they come out from this road. From this junction where we they popularly know as Equatorial Junction, the volume of water when they come out from here, they assure us, saying that they don't use this particular convent when they look for back they control. But if you look this convent, it not terminate or inside the river. And this place they very close to the river. So we expect, say, this particular convent will terminate inside the river so that it will do the work. Otherwise, the water will begin to pursue houses one way and destroy the work when they don't already do. If you go forward to, you go see, say, there is a road, St. Jude Road, Nagbare Road, Ekagwere Road. These are major roads that say they link Lucky Way. If they no find solution to those gully, this effort when they do for here, they go to water. Because the volume of water when they come from that side, they cut the road. So what we are saying is, if they reach that place, may they do serious convent. This road is very close to Oba River, so they don't have difficulty looking for here to channel the water to. You see, I'm so as I talk from the beginning, we don't go around. From that come together.
I'll tell you.
We now come up with a report. We recommend the government where necessary and recommend where they have to serious steps so that we can make progress.
We don't do plenty waka today, not true. And not actually today the waka takes start. The waka actually starts on Thursday. We do some roads. We don't hear before say they get some roads when government they do. And so we can't decide that civil society groups from different blocks say maybe come out, maybe go inspect or maybe go monitor, maybe go check whether the not true say waiting that they talk and waiting governor they talk or waiting people that truth. And so now so we take enter road on Thursday and then we they do the final ones today. As it's morning we dey roads, they check all the roads when governor don't they do. As it be so, we don't already see some of the things. We go make recommendation when time reach. We see say it gets some when they do and what they need to do more to make people not suffer. You also get some when we go really come out, come comment, say this road, you really try well for this road. You also get some when we go sit and say, governor, you supposed to do it like this or you're not supposed to do it like this, so that people not go too suffer. But finally, we just want to beg our governor and the contractors and everybody when they on site, say, may they not come out, leave this work halfway. Because as it be, if rain starts now, many people not go fit they enter their house. So with the work when they do, whether not a perfect job or whether not be anyone, but we just want to appeal to them, say, I beg, may they fast work so that Edo people not go too suffer to the enter house when the May rains start.
Forestry will go well. We see the area, we see the government will go well. We also see the area where they say we not okay with the contract where they do. We don't also talk to some of the engineers inside most of our design to ensure say this work meet up to the work specification and also get specification up to the situation of the road will advise government.
I thought we will start this work since last week. Today will not be the final one because we go around to see because the information we hear say government not they do road, government not they do road. We say and government say that they do road. I was okay, make we come out, make we come really check if that true say government they do road. We don't start since here at the final place where we dey now. Here na Tembuga Road. Here, you get one big gully where we say erosion don't chop well where we say dey inside here. As you see so, they don't level everything, just channel the erosion to river. And we also recommend to government because you get this road now between the boundary between Ute and Iwogba. You say this road lead to Lucky Road. So we also recommend to government so I make government make sure they see how they do the road and so I make the erosion will be say if they come make it not spoil one way this year. So we appreciate the governor for the work we do and we pray to make God give us strength to do more for Edo people. Thank you.